So I think it's a really interesting question, the alternative lenders, and I think that for me, I sort of look at it and I sort of think, what's the aspiration in this space? And I'm not as scared of the alternative lenders as I am of the likes of Amazon and Google. And for me, the use case becomes a scenario where it's, Alexa, I'd like to borrow an additional £50,000 on. Can you come back with the various different options that are available for me? And I think that's where you would get to the point where a customer is in the space where they're getting what they wanted. They're getting a list of suppliers that can actually service a need that is requested to something that is capturing that need on a voice basis. And I think that's where we need to be in that market to be able to be referred to be able to be looked at as those sort of alternatives come on stream.
I think alternative lenders over the next number of years are really going to own the lending space in the short term anyway. I think there's going to be huge interest in who's going to come to the market. I think certainly from the public they're going to be very interested, and they're going to have their eyes open by who may or may not come into this kind of space. And I think that's going to be of interest to a lot of people. They're going to almost dabble with certain providers, whether they be big tech giants or whatever, and just to sort of see what kind of experience these kind of people are going to bring to the table. I think they'll certainly corner a niche part of the market. I think it'll be very interesting to see how big that corner is going to be. And I think that the large financial institutions are certainly going to be looking over the shoulders as to what's coming down the line from these alternative lenders. And I think that the institutions will be wrong not to be looking at this as an opportunity to learn. Certainly from outside the financial institution, the financial marketplace, and learn how things are being done in a different kind of a way. I think the alternative lenders will bring different kind of experience, a technology-led experience that maybe customers